Want to give you an up-close look of 3 Milwaukee blowers side by side. So we'll start over here. This is the dual battery blower. All of these are going to run off the M18 battery system. One thing to know on these is there's a considerable drop off in power from this one to this one to this one, okay? So this one is a good bit more powerful than this one. This is a good bit more powerful than this one. Let me just talk to you about my thoughts on how you can use them. So the dual battery one of the advantages of it does have a little battery meter here. So when you put your 2 batteries back here, it's going to show you how much life you have, and it will not run off of 1 battery. The single battery one, of course, obviously will run off 1 battery. Compact one will as well. The dual battery one, I prefer to take this little tapered tip off and just leave it open. It seems to do better, in my opinion, without that tapered tip, but it does come with that if you want to use it. All of these are great. Like, I've used other brands of handheld battery powered blowers, and I really like the Milwaukee. They go to full power very quickly. The batteries hold up well. Of course, that's going to depend somewhat on which M18 battery you're using. Some are going to last longer than others. Actually speaking, my favorite is actually the single battery blower. 1, because it doesn't require 2 batteries. 2, because it still has pretty good power. I'm not going to go out and just blow leaves all day with it, but for blowing off a driveway or something like that, it does have enough power. But again, if you want more power, the dual battery definitely has more power. The compact one, to me, would be more like blowing out a workshop, or blowing off your front porch or a back patio or something like that. I don't even want to necessarily use it to go blow off a driveway or something, because it is significantly smaller, and that's one purpose of the video, is just letting you see the size difference between them. Runs on the same battery and is powerful for its size. So I wanted you to be able to see them all side by side and be able to hear some of the differences. Hope this video has been helpful for you.